Okay, this is going to be in two parts. One, right now we're running Ellie, No Birds in the Field. We're just watching her. You notice she's looking back at me from time to time, checking in, which is good. I'm letting her go right now. She needs to get some confidence. And so she's about 50 yards right now. And I'm really just letting her go. She checks in really well. You notice she's fairly animated. Her tail's pretty much up. You'll see the difference on her whenever work her out here with birds. The tail will come down when she gets near birds. She almost blinks them, but she smells them. Sometimes she turns her back to them, but she always stops. And I'm hoping that's because she knows it's pigeons and she don't like them. I'm gonna give her a little bit of a tone and see if I can turn her and bring her back to my right. See what she's doing. I lost her. There she is. And she's coming. I haven't said anything. All I've done is hit her with the tone. I'm getting ready to give her a hand signal as soon as she gets to where she can see me. There's a hand signal, and I'm looking that way and walking that way, and she's going that way. I'm going to give her another tone. She ignored me. Now she's coming. Come on, let's go. Ellie. Up. Hit her a tone, and she is going this way. See, she checked in. She's moving to the right. She's coming to me. She wants me to pet her. Sweet dog. Okay, let's go. Hunt 'em up. Letting her go again. Now she's quartering. She likes to stay on my mowed paths, which that's okay. She's got a nose. I'm going to get her going again. There she goes. And I'm going to use the e-collar and stop her, and then try and recall her. Okay, I'm going to stop her. There's a stop. Ellie, here. Give her a verbal and the tone. She's ignoring it. There, she's coming. That a girl. Good job. Oh, you found feathers. She's got quail feathers on her tongue. Yeah, you found some feathers, didn't you? Okay, let's go. Hunt 'em up. Right there you see my dried up water hole. That used to hold water until earthquake south of here about 40 miles in 2012. Shook pretty good here. It's leaked ever since. When it's plumb full, I can count on having water in it about 5 to 6 days. Let's go, Ellie. Up. Yep. That a girl. Come on, let's let's go. Up. Don't know really how much of this. Up. Come on, Ellie. You're gonna get awful long video for just a dog running around doing nothing, basically. Right now she's just staying to the perimeter of the field to the right. Ellie. Up. Now I'm going to turn her and walk away from her, and she should come past me. And she did. She's not supposed to go behind me though, but that's okay. She crossed over. That's what I wanted her to do. Atta girl. You act like you halfway know what you're doing, girlfriend. And back over there to that side again. I predominantly plant a lot of birds over there, so there's probably more scent. So she's staying over there. There's no birds there now, but she likes it there. Let's go. Hunt them up, girl. Careful. Is there a bird? Good girl. Look close. Good girl. Alrighty, I'm gonna put the brakes on her again with the e-collar. I'm gonna stop her, and I've got the intensity level on 2. I'm gonna hit her with a low. She stopped. Hit her with the tone. She's looking at me. Here. Give her a verbal and the tone. Ellie. I'm gonna stop her again. Let her think about it. And then I'm going to recall. Here, Ellie, here. Now she's thinking about it. Come on, here. She says, okay, I'll do it your way. I'm going to reward her for that, because she was seriously thinking about not obeying. Whoa. Good girl. Just a verbal, no stimulation, just a verbal. That's all it took. Ellie, load. Come on, load. Atta girl. Good girl. Good girl. Heel. Heel. Whoa. 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 Good girl. Heel. And that is her in the field with no birds. Now we'll